Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afner, and today we're going to learn about how to make a calculator. Well, we haven't gone on the functionality yet. What I basically mean by that is we haven't gone on the operations. Like we press one, then a plus, like one plus one equals two. We haven't gone on that yet. But we have made the buttons and all of that. But we haven't are not on the operation yet. So here, you're wondering why I did this code I have to explain because look, it's like a 53 line code. That's how long it was. So I have to explain it. So import thing create as TK. You know this part. I can just skip that. Define change X pass. So pass. Because since we're not on the functionality operators and all of those things, like 1 plus 1 I said equals to 2, right? When I said that, it's like we have it's not like you press a button and something else changes. It's not like that because it's different from the other coding of GUI we did in our last video. Not last because that was the PPT, but other ones. So that's why we did pass here. And then this part. Now here this is a zero throw. In the zero throw, we have something called the AC. We have plus slash minus a percentage, then divide. So here, what I did was AC, it's gray, then white. The background's gray, the foreground's white. Width is 5 and height is 3. It's the perfect size. Then command is change. That's our variable change in AC. And then put the place x is 0, comma y is 55. And same thing for the others, but the text is just different. And the x-axis is different, okay? And the variables are different. I was gonna say that. Then for the first row, we have the same thing, okay? But here, you're noticing something. 0, 80, 160, 240. That's the first row. Second row, 0, 80, 160, 240. But the y-axis are different. Well, the difference is like 80. 0 plus, there's an 80 gap. 0 plus 80, 80. 80 plus 80, 160. 160 plus 80, 240, and so on. It's easy, okay? If you know coordinates and you're really good at math, it's easy for you, okay? I'm not good at snapping. Just don't judge it. So, if I wanted to go back, sorry about that. So in our zero throw, I was about to say first row, zero throw, we have AC. We have plus slash minus, then percentage, then divide. Then what we have, 7. So here, 7, then 8, then 9 on the first row, and also times. And for the second row, 4, 5, 6 minus. Third row, 1, 1, 2, 3 plus. Fourth row, there's just empty. It's empty. So double quotation marks, 0, and a dot and an equal sign. And the x-axis for each row goes up by 80, but the y-axis is just different. And do window dot main loop after that. So if you understand the zero throw, then you can understand every single row. It's pretty simple. See, Python just doesn't come with itself. It also comes with math, data science, because if you know programming, if you know programming a lot and you know it really good, you're smart at it, you can then do data science and all of that. You can also make your own company or a game or a video or something. I can say highly recommended making a game or some business or making a new media literacy, making a new media and put the login. So that's it comes with mathematics because see all these numbers we have, width, height, these operations, the coordinates, all of that we have. That comes with math. That's still important. If you don't even know math, then how can you make this calculator or even a simple thing like printing A, right? Or doing some big programs in your life. So that's the importance of math. So if you know math, it's really easy for you to do anything. I mean, any programming. Okay, it's really easy. But you just have to think too. So let's just run the code. Okay. So we're not onto the operators yet. The buttons are clickable, but we're not onto the operators yet. This is how the calculator looks like. Let's just maximize the screen. Good. So as you can see, the buttons are not clickable yet. Okay, let me introduce you to the signs. AC, then plus and slash minus, percentage, divide. All these rows divide, column, the columns I meant to say, divide, times, minus, plus, equals. These are all these operations. Here, on these three, we have numbers, 963. And here we have percentage and decimal basic. Here's the same thing, four numbers, 8, 5, 2, and 0, and plus slash minus. Here, AC, 7, 4, 1, and nothing. Just a blank space. This is just for nothing, but basically, there has to be 4 buttons on each row. Because sometimes on your phone, your calculator can be different, or not a phone calculator, or usual calculator. Like this calculator I'm talking about. If you can't see it, okay, let me just probably this can work. Just let me not blur my background for 1 second. Okay, wait. Yes, that's good. So a calculator that looks like this, you can see here, because it doesn't have any blank space. It's different. Okay, this is not my calculator either. So, yeah, this is how the calculator looks like. See, the buttons are clickable, but when we press them, they don't have functionality. I already told you, no operations like 7 times 5, 35, no, or 4, 28. Okay, you can press the buttons; they're clickable, but they don't do anything. We're not onto that yet, okay? We're going to probably do that in my next video. I'm not sure. Or we might do that in our next video, okay? So thank everyone for listening about how to make a calculator explanation in Python GUI, which basically means graphic user interface. If you didn't know what that means, you can go to my first video of GUI. Then you can understand it. So thank you everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. I hope you like it, and bye.